Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a full day of eating with a focus on promoting better health through a balanced and nutritious diet. Remember, this is just a sample plan and can be tailored to your own preferences and needs. Let's jump right into it. Morning routine. Starting off your day on the right foot is crucial. As soon as you wake up at around 7 a.m., grab a glass of warm water and add a splash of fresh lemon juice. This simple habit can aid digestion and kickstart your metabolism. Breakfast. Time for a nourishing breakfast at 7:30 a.m. We're going for a protein-packed option here. Scramble up some eggs or whip up a tofu scramble if you're plant-based. Pair that with whole grain toast or a hearty bowl of oatmeal. Don't forget to add a slice of creamy avocado for those healthy fats and a handful of berries for a boost of vitamins and antioxidants. Mid-morning snack. By 10 a.m., it's snack time. Grab a small bowl of Greek yogurt and top it with a drizzle of honey and some nuts. This combination not only gives you a protein boost but also provides your gut with some friendly probiotics. Lunch. Moving on to lunch at 12:30 p.m. We're aiming for a well-rounded plate. How about a grilled chicken salad loaded with colorful veggies? But if you're looking for a plant-based option, try a chickpea salad. Don't forget to include a healthy fat source like an olive oil and balsamic vinegar dressing. And of course, a side of quinoa or brown rice for those complex carbohydrates. Afternoon snack. Time to refuel with a snack at 3 p.m. Keep it light and satisfying with carrot and cucumber sticks paired with some creamy hummus. This combo offers both fiber and healthy fats. Dinner. As we wind down the day, let's enjoy a wholesome dinner at 6 p.m. Opt for baked salmon or tempeh for your protein source. Serve it up with a generous portion of steamed or roasted vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal. Add a sweet potato or a helping of whole grain pasta to round out those complex carbohydrates. Before bed snack. Optional. If you're feeling a bit peckish before bed around 8:30 p.m., you can go for a light snack. A small bowl of mixed berries or a small handful of nuts should do the trick. These options are easy on your digestion while satisfying any late-night cravings. Conclusion. And there you have it, a day's worth of eating that's geared towards better health. Remember, it's all about balance, variety, and making choices that work for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.